Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to interface a push button and an LED for 8051 microcontrollers and also write this program in assembly language in Keil Vision 5 software. So let's get started. So first, let's make our circuit diagram using Proteus software, and then let's create a new project and type the project name, and then click on next. So here we will get our workspace. Now let's get started by adding our required components. So first we will add our 8051 microcontroller. We can get any basic 8051 microcontroller like 8089S51 or 8089C51. So we will use 8089C51 for this project. So double click on this. The next component we require is an LED. So search for LED, and here you will get different colors of LED. So I will pick red color LED and double click on it. Next component we require is an push button. So let's search for a push button and select this push button. The next component we require is an resistor. A 220 ohms resistor or 330 ohms resistor will be good, or you can just use a generic resistor and then give the ohms afterwards. So I will choose a 220 ohms resistor and double click on it and then click on OK. So here are all the required components. So let's place them and make the connection. So first we will place our 8051 microcontroller. The pin number 40 and 20 are mainly power and ground pins. So the Proteus had made it default, so we do not need separate terminals for power and ground for this microcontroller. Now let's add our resistor and rotate it. Now connect pin number P2.0 to the resistor and then connect an LED to its one terminal. After that, we will ground the LED. So click on terminal mode and then ground and ground the LED. After that, let's place our push button to the pin number P3.2 of the microcontroller and then ground the other end of the push button and then connect. So our circuit diagram is ready. Now let's minimize it and write the code for our simulation. So open Keil Vision 5 software and then click on project and new vision project. So select the folder and type the name and click on save. Now here search for RD2 and in NXP option click on P89LV51 RD2, which is a dual DPTR, and then click on OK and then click on no. So in the source group, right click and add a new item to group source 1 and here choose assembly file and then type the name and click on add. Then here you will get our assembly.file. Now after we need to copy a code. I will provide this code in the description. And then paste this code. Now right click on target and then options for target. Here click on output and check the create hex file and then click on OK. Now our program is ready to compile. So click on build and check if there are any errors. Now open the simulation. Here double click on the microcontroller and then search for the program file where you have saved it. I have saved it on desktop. So in desktop, here I will get the hex file. So click on the hex file and then click on open. Here the program is uploaded on our microcontroller. Now click on OK. Now our project is ready. Now let's start the simulation. So click on run and then here we can see after I push the push button, the LED starts, and when I release the push button, the LED stops. So this was a simple 8051 microcontroller simulation. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.